I have two guns from Smith& Wesson Performance Center. Both of them are snubbies. Both of them are beautiful. And both of them are heavy. And because they are heavy, I don't really suggest them for everyday carry. They're so heavy that they can pull your pants down. And you really need a beautiful and sturdy holster to carry these bad boys. This one is a model 627, 357 Magnum, 8 shots revolver. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty. I fired it yesterday at the shooting range. It holds 8 shots, 357 Magnum, and it can also fire 38 special or 38 plus P. The other one, this bad boy over here, is 44 Magnum, fires 6 shots. Heavy gun, beautiful gun. So some say that you can carry it for like hiking, backpacking, maybe for 2 miles, yes, 5 miles, yes, but for a 20-mile hike, too heavy. Heavy, beautiful, shiny. Ooh yeah. Another problem I have with this is like they're really hard to buy a holster like for them. It's hard to buy a holster for them. I went to the website of Smith& Wesson. They don't have it. They don't have a holster for end frame with a barrel size of 2.5 inches. But at Midway USA, I was able to buy this. This is from Blade Tech, but it's an outside the waistband holster. For specifics, you can always visit the website of Smith& Wesson. I'm not gonna go into details. I just want to give you a close-up. 44 Magnum. Oh yeah. 357. And you know what video's coming up next, right? Me shooting them both. Alright. Have a nice day.